Recovering a deleted Word document. Suppose you accidentally deleted a Word document. Your Word document is still in your computer. You just need to find the recycle bin on your computer desktop. Double-click and open the recycle bin. Here you can find your deleted Word document. Just select the deleted Word document. To ensure that you have selected the correct deleted Word document, you may sort the files by date. Right-click the Word document and click on Restore. Or you may restore the Word document from the tab above, as shown. Click on Restore the selected item. Now you can find your deleted Word document back in its location. Now you may check if you have restored the correct deleted Word document.